In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an invoice in Dubsado. Creating invoices is an essential part of running any business, and Dubsado makes the process simple by letting you build and send professional invoices directly from your projects. Whether you're billing a client for a service, requesting payment for completed work, or preparing an invoice before a project begins, everything is managed from within your Dubsado dashboard. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. To get started, log into your Dubsado account until you reach the main dashboard. From here, head over to the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Projects. You'll now see a list of your existing projects. Find the project you want to bill and open it. Once you're inside the project, look across the top menu and click on Invoices. This is where all invoices related to that project are managed. To create a new one, click the Add button. You'll now be able to set up your invoice. Start by choosing the invoice date if needed. After that, it's time to add your first line item. Enter the name of the product or service you're charging for, then provide a short description so your client understands exactly what the charge is for. Next, enter the quantity and the price for that item. If sales tax applies, you can select the appropriate tax option. You'll also need to choose the correct item type before adding it to the invoice. Once everything is filled out, click Add Item. If your client purchased multiple services or products, simply repeat the same process to add additional line items. As you continue, Dubsado will automatically calculate the invoice total for you. After your line items are complete, move down to the Payment Plan section. Choose the payment option that works best for your client. In this example, the payment plan is set to pay in full, but you'll use whichever option fits your workflow. When your invoice is ready, you can send it directly through email using the Send option in the top right corner. Alternatively, you can copy the invoice link and share it with your client through email, text message, or another communication method. As long as your payment provider has already been connected, your client can open the invoice using that link and complete their payment online. And that's all there is to creating an invoice in Dubsado. Following these steps allows you to quickly generate professional invoices, share them with your clients, and keep your billing process organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.